Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials, OS compatibility and enough storage, because updates fail without them. Once done, open Mico, sign in with your email or social login, and allow notifications so the widget can sync. Now enter your home screen editor. Long press an empty area, tap widgets, and pick the Mico widget size you need. Place it where you want it to live. This gets the app and the widget linked immediately and prepares you for configuration. Next, you'll configure what the widget actually does. Tap the added widget to open settings and select a type: quick action for shortcuts, feed for updates, or control for toggles. Preview each to confirm. Then customize content by picking accounts, applying filters, and setting a refresh interval from 30 seconds to 24 hours so data matches your needs. Make sure to assign short press and long press actions. Once you set those, resize with drag handles and test each interaction. To finish, thoroughly test the widget by tapping, long pressing, and swiping to confirm actions and live updates. These should appear within 1 to 2 minutes depending on refresh settings. Once satisfied, lock the layout or enable protected mode to prevent accidental moves. If something goes wrong, try the simple fixes first. Restart the Mico app, verify permissions for background refresh and notifications, and clear the app cache. If the widget still fails, reinstall Mico. Doing these steps resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.